Onye money marama umbo. Hey, onye money marama umbo. Onye tiriri anane marama. Hey, my people, our number 6, aka Auntie Reggie, she don't carry. Why not they do like this? Which one be waiting she carry? Why not they do like small children? She don't the thing. You don't understand? Hey, Baba Ne don't score. I bet for now we don't even know what they happen because I know say as I don't talk this, I don't open puppy. Because join me, make we watch our number 6.
Respect
Regina is
pregnant actually for a second
pregnant again.
Hey! Una don't see am, in fact, una don't hear am. They even talk am for the video. No, una hear am. Me una no to say, I don't come again. Una hear am, my people. Now wow. This one now, Regina don't come now. She dey come add another badge to the costume wey she get already. You understand? You know how if you be uniform person, you don't graduate or you don't do something good, they come put another. She don't add another badge to the costume wey they give am before. This one wey just happen, e go just increase in rank among the other wives. No more there in case you don't forget yourself way because before now fresh girl every corner. No more Regina the fresh oh. This one now listen very well. You don't join the mamas leagues. You be mama the mamas now. You don't join the other wives. They roll on that lane. So no more freshy. Time don't reach main Ned bring another fresh blood inside the family. I bet bring our bring our outside. Ned, the greatest, the only man that's correct without a mistake. Nigerian King Solomon. Igwe. Hello. I greet you, sir. Person go see you now as you old. You just a deceive us. Person go come to say, nothing they there. They no say you on your own, eh? You be terrorist when it comes to that department. Chai! Make una know they deceived though. These people. This man alone, in waste na fire. In waste they do and they undo everything. Nigeria number 1 striker. I just wonder, you know that so when this matter reach me, the only thing where they picture now all these football players, how they score, how they in fact, I just now I can't shift the picture is enter bedroom to these people level. I can't understand the whole thing. Only you, Ned, only you. 3 years old. 3 years where you and this girl don't day now. You date in this same 3 years you can't score 2 goals. Well done, sir. Hey, well done, sir. So I greet you. In fact, my people not be small achievement for this age. No, I know just understand because see, before I don't underestimate all these old men. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. I know just know my people now. I don't come to the conclusion. Make una no underestimate any or especially all these old politicians. No underestimate them because see. They deliver, they get stamina. No be the kind things what these people they do. You said you go they wonder say I don't know whether they take concussion. I don't know whether they you know say all these old men they like they mix some things. Especially the drinks where they take. I don't they suspect say they take something because their energy they pass for these young boys when they see you. All of una wey no say una be young boy when I think say una they do pass for bed. This one in fact if I wish say I dey ready I go give Ned award. I go give her award because the kind wonder signs wonders everything. Now so wetin be this one Ned come outside he show mole. He come outside no according to her he wan prove to the whole wide world say in the capable, say in strong, say because matter been dey come that period say una remember that youngie that in on the young Girl, abeg make we no enter inside that matter una remember that period people dey talk say the girl dey with am because of him money. He say na lie o, say the girl dey with am because he dey hammer. Na so as people dey talk na, he come outside na come say okay wetin I go do now make these people believe me. Ngwanu, I don bring am come una screen. If una see how this man strong, no be for my mouth una go hear am. For una wey never watch am, never hear am before, join me make we watch Oshiomhole.
Mm-hmm.
No, una see am. Oh, I don dey see this thing. I be like say me sef I go I no talk anything. I just dey because the energy wey I dey see. Oh boy. No wonder Regina Daniels, because I don dey think say na the toys abi na the, because I don dey, you know say before I been dey think say Ned no go do well. Regina Daniels need one hefty Dracula cobra wey go enter all the corners of the angles of the circle. Hey, my people, now I don believe am. No wonder she still dey there. No wonder she dey like she don stick to the man, say no matter what, leave am. Ned, now you have confirmed, in fact you have confirmed to us say you get power in abundance. Power dey, no be the one wey una dey talk, una dey do this one. My people, so now based on my own conclusion, as I don see this thing like this, guess what? I have decided now there will be a challenge. You understand? Now I'm calling on King Solomon of Nigeria, King Solo. I dey call you now. No do like say you no hear me, because me and you go get problem. You understand? I don't dey hear you since, no for my hand. So you go come out now, go do the, you know, I know say you don't see video way Oshiomhole do. You go do the same thing. Prove to us. Say you know they take concussion. Say you get natural strength. That one way they use handle our number 6. You go do this video. Now the challenge what they give una now, King Solo and versus Oshiomhole. My people, who go win? We go see that one, because I know say definitely Ned no dey forehand. He go do him own, because he go watch me today. And now for you, now go still see the outcome, the results. Now why if you never subscribe? I don't know what you do with your phone. I don't know what you use your data do, because you go dey miss all these plenty things. Start to subscribe now. Click on that bell. If not, you go miss am. My people, start to drop those comments for those comment section, because this one is about to go down fire. And make sure say you share this video, because Ned must hear me. How you go hear me if you no share am? Good. So start to share am now. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.